Today's how-to video is going to be on showing you how to pretty well put your brake shoes back onto your mount if you're changing the, this is the mount. If you're changing your brake pads on the ZF park brake, which we building a whole unit. Does videos on my channel on this whole setup. You can check them out. Actually doing it in steps. Once I get it all done, I'll probably make a full video of everything put together. But for now, if this is just what you need to know, that's what this video is for. So first thing you want to do is find your mount, and this is it, and it goes like this. This is the back side, this is the front. So you want to turn it around just like so on the back side. I call it the back side because that's where all your hardware is going to be. And then you get your brake pads. This is the brake pads. We ordered all this from Allstate Gear. Pretty sure that's what the company is called. I got unboxing videos of everything, but the brake pads look to be great quality. And you need to make sure which way they go. This is the top portion, and that top portion goes just like so. Now you want to make sure the pad sets underneath this. Remember, this big half moon needs to go down here. This is the part your fork actually works. So as I said, make sure it goes under here just like so. And then it should look just like this. Next step is installing your springs. A color coded one goes this way, the green one. It hooks over the top, not underneath, so you can't get them mixed up. A directional. This guy just bends over down into his shoe, and sometimes can be quite a pain to get under there, just so you know. And as you can see, it's going to be a pain for me to get under there too. But he goes right over the top and bends, just like so. What I found, guys, it's just holding here, is put it on at an angle here, then wedge it. It's got between each other and just bring it into one another, just like so. It's the best way I can tell you to apply it down. The other ways I was trying was a pain. But what you do is hook them into each other, stretch it where this end touches right here, and then just bend it into itself. And that's pretty well what it looks like. Whole lot easier than fighting with it. If you got a vise, it's probably 10 times more easier, but I'm trying to do this right here without one. And, we seem to be doing a pretty good job. So, green one goes on this side, the red one goes on this side. And them hooks, any way you want to, it don't matter which one you put on. But the green one actually sets the lower, if you look right here, so it needs to go on first. But at the end of the day, it shouldn't actually matter. But the green one is the one that sets closest. So be sure to put it in first. If you didn't, it shouldn't affect nothing. I would not suspect, but never know. Just make sure the green is on. But if you don't got it together, I wouldn't worry too much about it. Put some one way here. Try to keep it steady. It went. Now that's what it looks like fully loaded. Both springs is in, both sides. This is what it looks like on the other side. And once you get this, you can see both springs is hooked very nice in both spots. And it don't matter which way your brake pads go on. They ain't specific for either side. But it does matter which way up and down they go. But I mean, it don't matter. They're the same width on both sides, so it don't matter there. Just matters here and here gotta be the same. And where the holes are, you really can't get them mixed up. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I got tons of content on this subject on my channel. It's got its own playlist. Check it out if you need any more help, you know. And hopefully you get your pot break done too. Thank you for watching.